Well, we kind of missed the beginning of that because we were distracted. We were talking about heights and
vertigo and stuff.
Motion sickness.
But we've left the ferry.
Yeah.
And now we're on our way to, where is it? You know where we're going.
We're going to Hurricane Ridge in Olympic National Park, and so that's about just over a 2-hour drive. We'll probably see you at Hurricane Ridge.
Yep. We're in Squim. Squim. At the Black Bear Diner. So, I ordered an iced tea, but this is literally tea with ice. It's not sweetened at all, and it was quite a shock having a taste of it. So I'm adding sugar to see if I can salvage it, but yeah, that's a little bit better. Somewhere under all of that gravy is mashed potato and what was it? Meatloaf sandwich. Looks good, tastes good. And Ange has got
the patty melt. Yum.
Yeah, the patty melt is something we've discovered over here. It's a really nice sandwich we've seen in a few places.
We have just arrived at Hurricane Ridge. The visitor centre's just over there, but we just had to get a shot of these mountains behind us while it's still clear. Well, we're still here, and look, there's some deer. Some deer. Just down here.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. So where are we, sweetie?
We're up at Hurricane Ridge in Olympic National Park.
It's just amazing, this view. I must admit, I wasn't expecting this. This might be the most beautiful place we've been, I think.
Wow.
It's a bit of a pull, I know, but maybe because it just took me by surprise. I wasn't expecting this. We were driving up and it was looking like the top would be cloudy, wasn't it?
Yes. Yeah.
So we were expecting a complete whiteout, and we came around the corner here and it was like a scene out of Howl's Moving Castle or something like this. It was green rolling hills, these snow-capped Alps and deer frolicking, and this mist. The mist is kind of coming in now, so we probably got it just at the right time, didn't we?
Yeah.
It's cleared up again, but it's just, this mist is just rolling in so quick, so you could see how it could get covered up almost instantly with mist. So we were very lucky. We got great stuff. We did about 4 time lapses, I think.
Yeah.
And
I
Ange,
got some good footage of the deer.
Ange went deer hunting.
Yeah.
So we're driving through the mist down the mountain. There seems to be this big layer of mist, and this is a thing we came through and we thought, well, it's going to be completely white up the top, we're not going to see a thing. But after a couple of conversations, I've sort of found out that those mountains sit above the mist, the mountain tops. So that's why we got some really good shots. And we're definitely coming through the mist now, but it's really cool. I kind of like driving through mist. It's mysterious.
Mysterious.
Pun intended.
Here we are. We have arrived at the Log Cabin Resort. Yeah, I think they're calling it a resort. I'll show you our cabin in a little bit. We are still in the Olympic National Park. That's Lake Crescent, just behind me there. And this is our little cabin. Look, it's got moss growing on the roof. I'll show you inside. Our humble abode. We have 2 beds. This one comes with a gentleman reclining. And yep, that's about it. 2 beds, there's a light, and we've got a power point to charge things. The bathroom. Yeah, that shower hasn't seen some love for a while. But we're okay with that. Toilet looks new though, huh? And that ends the tour. That's our view.
This is our view from our dining room, and we've got an amber ale that I'm starting on. It's very dark amber. It tastes good. Yes, we're just having an early-ish dinner, and then afterwards we'll go and have a walk around the lake, which is very pretty. It's really
lovely.
Very peaceful and nice. This is Ange waiting for me to cut myself. I'm managing to break the kindling up. It's pretty light, so
with a pocket knife.
With a very small. Should I get that side going? What are we doing, and
Toasting some marshmallows.
And what's that you've got? What's that fancy thing you've got there?
It's a telescopic.
It's a deluxe
telescopic toasting fork. All right, should we say that?
That's done.
Okay.
So what's the next step?
All right. So you need 2 crackers.
Are we sharing these or?
No, we'll just make. Oh, I don't mind. We can. And then you need some chocolate.
Is this for one?
Yeah.
This is too big. Do 2 marshmallows? Oh, that's enough.
Oh, okay.
2 marshmallows?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Ah!
It burns. It burns. Ah! It burns. Okay, it's in there.
Well, I think you want it to melt the chocolate a bit.
Okay, I'll let it melt the chocolate a bit. It's melting my hand a bit. Okay, it's a big gooey mess.
Okay, now eat it.
Hang on. This is what it looks like. Okay. Eat it?
Yep.
So this is the remnants of the other one. It's just so sticky, but it's like. Okay. Okay, try again. Put it through again, and I'll try and just. You hold it still, and I'll scrape. I'm gonna just eat that.
All right, you have this.
Okay. Oh my god. It's just a big sticky mess. The problem is as soon as you bite it, it just goes everywhere. It'd be better if you could do it into single bite pieces. It's good. It's chocolatey, it's marshmallowy, it's biscuity.
Oh, it's crunchy.
How could you go wrong?
Oh, you couldn't eat very many of them.
No.
So maybe it'll be s'mores every night from now on.
Maybe, or just I'll have some marshmallows by themselves. But there's just a giant bag of marshmallows. I don't know what we're going to do with them.
Wow, we need to wash our hands.
Yeah. Okay, so that's our
Okay.
That's our small
S'mores.
tick done.